Hi, good evening. So, we are going to talk about career counseling. Aspiring Minds brings to you a wonderful opportunity to understand what is important in career planning. So, career counseling is an important aspect of everybody, especially in today's world. In fact, career counseling has been in the existence since ages. The earlier days, an individual used to do a career counseling. It used to be lengthy sessions, and typically career counseling would also directly depend upon the counselor's mood. Counselor also used to give a lot of information about the person, his dreams or opportunities available, etc., etc. So it was also dependent on various external factors choosing a career. Like for example, somebody in your house, your brother, your uncle, your sister is doing exceedingly well as an engineer. So you tend to start liking it, and you also would love to be an engineer. And let's say you have a neighbor who's doing extremely well as an advocate, and you start looking him as a role model, and you feel, yes, I'm going to be an advocate. So typically this has been the trend, and in our country since the 60s 70s onwards, doctors and engineers have been the best citizens. So every parent would want their kid to be a doctor or an engineer, and we have seen that over time very few people are actually being successful. So there is a psychological effect of this on everybody. See, when they start with being a doctor or an engineer in mind, and as time passes, as they complete their education, there are various challenges, interest, everything, and ultimately a lot of people end up in different jobs, different work environments. Sometimes they get into a job which they do not enjoy, and this develops a lot of stress in one's professional life, and job losses are very common in such situations. So there is a scientific way how you can plan it, especially in today's world. Here we are talking about the use of artificial intelligence, which helps you understand what are your abilities, what is your aptitude, what is your interest area, what is your personality type. So a simple psychometric mapping analysis helps you know what is your multiple intelligence. There are 8 multiple intelligence everybody possesses. So through our psychometric mapping, we bring out 8-page detailed report, so where we try to help you understand your intelligent type, the dominant ones, yes, the not so dominant ones, how you can improve on that, and you can plan a career path. There will be some suggested careers you can choose. You can start developing on your interest, you can start working on your passion, a lot of things. So connect with us, invest in your future, invest in knowing more about yourself. At Aspiring Minds, our goal, our mission is to help parents, students get introduced to themselves, know your true self, know your true potential. We help parents make an scientific approach in identifying the dominant intelligence of your kids, so that you can plan their future better. So look forward to discussing in detail about this. Thank you.